And we can just leave it like that for now as we do the other one. Now you're going to hear the styrofoam crackling a bit, making a little crackling sound as you apply the hot glue. Don't worry, no harm. And I like to put the eye right next to the other eye, right in the center. Now at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these little adhesive felt tabs here and we're going to stick them on the character. So we'll put one there like that, and another there like that. And what you want to do is you want to have the character look right at you so that you can then move around the little felt tabs here so that you get a sense that he's looking directly at you. You see that? Okay. When we come back, we're going to put a nose on him, and I'm going to tell you a few pointers on how you can create a customized nose.